Oh, hey guys, today we're going to unbox a Hot Wheels battery creature transport. Hey guys, now we're going to play with this toy. Hot Wheels battery creature transport. These are good, nice wheels. What is this? What does it do? I don't know what it does. I don't know what it does. So let's do that. And go smash. Oh my. Oh, okay. Let's have vehicles. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, let's add this one. The car. Add them in the red vehicle. Now let's add this one in the red vehicle. And fit? Okay. Let's add this one. And let's add this one now. And let's add in this one. Okay, let's add something to the blue one. Blue is my favorite color. Add. Oh no, the car went out. That's okay. We can add another car. Butter dart. Big stick cars. Why did they go backwards? Okay, let's add this one. Is it in? Let's add this one. Oh, can't fit anymore. Close. Close. Okay, we can add 2 more vehicles. And let's add this one. And let's add this one. I think we're ready to battle. Now I'm gonna put the wings. Now the car can fly. It's a dragon. And this is a shark. Dragon and a shark. Arr. Okay, let's battle. Oh no! The car. Oh yeah. Let's see it. Oh yeesh. Beep. Beep. Oh my god, come out. Uh-oh. The car fell. Oh yeah. What's this? Oh no. The cars. What? Oh yeah. Open the wing. Oh no. There. This better. Oh no, the cars. Hey guys, now this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.